Sok sabai te bong. My name is Fila. I am come from Siem Reap, Cambodia. Oh my God, Cambodians have a lot of beautiful things, but I just love to invite everyone to explore Angkor Wat temple, especially how do we build it, why this is so special, getting deep down enough to understanding of my Cambodian culture, my Cambodian civilization, my Cambodian tradition and history.
How you doing today? My name is Fila.
Instead of the group staying in the beautiful, lovely 4 or 5-star hotel resort, we're going to experience the homestay, staying with our local traditional house in the middle of the outskirts area down to the countryside. The group getting involved with the locals experience. They so much enjoyed it, they loved it because they'll be able to see the way we're cooking, the way we're eating, the way we're sharing, the way we're talking and chanting. They'll be able to learn more about Cambodian.
It's nice. It's nice.
To me, I am one of the boy coming from the floating village boy. I only know how to fish only. Never expected my life ended up working with Intrepid, but I feel the connection related to responsible travel. We support the community. We create job opportunity. Over there. I found people surprising after they land in Cambodia. They speak to me in the beginning, Fila, your people, they're such a friendly people. They love smiling. We are not pretending to be smiling, but it's from the inner. I don't know, we just like that. It's the way we are. Each time I introduce my country to the world, I see the reaction from the group. They say, Fila, I love Cambodian. I never expect they're gonna be that amazing, wonderful like this.